Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. In this video I want to prepare pepper soup. So these are my goat meat pepper soup. This is my goat meat. So here we have our spicy it. This is crayfish, nutmeg powder. This is negro pepper, black pepper, calabash nutmeg, scotch bonnet pepper with cayenne pepper. This is ginger powder. How we prepare this ginger powder is on my YouTube channel. This is garlic and onion, scent leaf, which is basil leaf, seasoning cubes and salt. So follow us as we're about to prepare this. The goat meat, I've already washed it, so I'm just raising it. Salt. Our meat is ready, so I want to pour the pepper, the spices, curry powder, groundnut oil, wow, this is delicious. So beautiful people, thank you very much for watching this video. As you see, we are preparing goat meat pepper soup. Thank you for watching. Please, if you are just seeing us for the first time, help me to subscribe, share our video with your friend and family. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. This pepper soup will be delicious. So our pepper soup is ready. I want to add a scent leaf, Wow, this is yummy and delicious. So I want to take it out. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to share and like, comment. This is our goat pepper soup, goat meat. Bye bye, and see you when we'll be eating it. Bye bye. Mwah.